you can get a box. Can you buy these in a box too, or you've got to make them? You can
so
buy
if you
them?
want an actual, like the authentic looking one, then you want to buy those box ones.
Yep.
If you want to make your own, they won't look quite as authentic because they'll have the color.
Yep.
Will be in different spots.
Yep.
Or I mean, like, oh, that's not the R2. This is the one they made because R2, the one that you I know, the one that you can buy is actually gonna have blue around here. So this is my one. This is one out of a box. Okay.
What do we cost to make one?
$99.99.
Cool. What about a buy?
The box?
Yeah.
Same thing.
Okay.
Except this one, I don't know how much this is because he's new. I think he just came in today. You know how much he is? One can? It's about $99.99. One can? Okay, so he's 110 different.
Yeah, and they all remote control, are they? They're all remote control?
Yeah. And then there's an app you can download and you can do the phone.
Hey, how you going?
How are you?
Good, thank you. Can we make two, Tori?
215.48.
Approved! Cheers, thank you. So once you get your basket, it actually shows you all your pieces that you need to collect. And now we come across and choose all the bits and pieces. That's kind of cool. Whoop, spin it around, Scotty. What are you doing? How do you know? I reckon I need one of these. Is that right? That's his body. He's heavy too, by the way. He wasn't light. Are they his legs? No, they're not his legs. Is that his leg? Come on, help me out. Where's all the bits and pieces? What about these?
Oh, he got one?
How do you know? Oh, it's too hard. I don't know.
I feel dizzy.
Whoop, there we go. We need one of them.
His head just broke. Maybe not that one.
So what do we got? We got a head. We got legs. I don't know. I need his front leg. Oh, look, that's almost complete. Oh, is it going to be blue? We'll make us blue.
Why do I think you go in it?
Well, I reckon I've got all my bits. Or should I have a white leg? A number 4.
Do I need a sync for the one to be able to do
Kind of thing, I've got all the bits. Yeah. Find out. So I don't know which one he's meant to get.
Need one.
Doesn't matter which colour?
One of these. Yeah, it doesn't matter which color, you can mix and match.
I can't make decisions.
You can make this match.
this one here? What's this one for?
I think blue leg.
Do they have sync for little ones like this?
They do in red.
In red. Yeah.
There is so many bits and pieces to choose from. It's making this easy robot building quite hard. Or droid, should we say. What do? Go up to a table. And you got all the stuff. I reckon. I mean, with two of us. Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what we can get. Go ahead.
You can put them Reggie.
Alright, traveler, I'm going to have you empty out all of your cards and onto the table.
No worries.
I'm going to turn this guy on before we get started.
No worries.
Get the bag from you.
Thank you.
Alrighty, travelers, so really quick, these will be your instructions right over here. They are all in order. This will be your tool.
Oh, okay.
Very cool. If you have any questions, press that button and we'll head on over, okay?
No problem. Thank you. A drill. It's like it's just electronic screwdriver. Nice. Oh, we'll try and unwrap it one-handed. Let's see if I can pop you down for a minute. Here you go. You hold this while I do it.
April.
Yeah, she's expected to sit here. Pop them in. And the other side, they just click in. Pops on in. Alright.
It's gonna go straight.
Yeah, it's fine. Pop his head on. Good. Got a log. I see the diagram. Alright. He's kind of built. Not sure what I need the screwdriver for. Oh, I do know what I need the screwdriver for. Hang on, I'll show you. Hold tight. When we do the other side, it's pretty easy. Screw it in. I got it. This is cool. I wonder if his head screws on. That's funny.
Excuse me. She has no idea what she's doing.
Let's try a bit more pressure.
Go ahead and take everything out of the basket.
Yep, that one's done. Flip him over. Screwdriver. Nice. What about the bottom one? No. I think he's good. It's made. I'm not 100% sure what else we have to do. Let's find out. We maybe get a remote control. Now April is making hers. So that definitely goes in the middle. Diagram shows you it goes in the middle. So step one. Alright. How are we going, April? With twists on. Well done.
Okay.
Check mine? Check them out?
Follow the steps?
I think so. Oh, I don't know about these bits.
Yes. This is going to be sitting right here.
Ah! Not following orders. I get it. So these go in. Right. I don't understand. Oh, I get it. I was trying to put the wrong ones on.
Can I have the remote? Thank you. Would you like to have the Droid on or off?
Off, please.
Off? Okay. So for future reference, the switch is right there.
Look there. So, need to pay a bit more attention. There's two bits on the side. Right.
Oh, that's broken.
Alright. Get it.
I also recommend you download the app. There's an app for Droid Depot. That is good. It's like having fun with it, basically. I'll just put all the batteries to make sure it's at the bottom.
Do I have to do the other side? No.
There he is.
I think he's ready now.
Cool. Let me try to check him out. Cool. Pairing. Get lost. Press that red button.
Ready? Here we go. Oop, it's coming along.
Okay, he's alive.
He is alive, that's cool.
Alrighty, traveler. So, legs come back,
Backwards.
feet come forward,
Say it again.
front one comes back.
Easy.
Okay. This will be your remote control. This one will control his head. You're gonna have him move from side to side. Then you've got your left and right, front and back. That one will have him light up and talk. This extra one is if you purchase any of our extra parts, like our blasters, that's what that would light up, but without him it doesn't turn on anything. Go ahead and try it out. Just be careful because it will roll off, okay?
No worries. Thank you. Wait. Oh. That's cool.
Here, may I take it out?
Let's go backwards.
Alright, traveler, it is now time to activate.
Woo.
And then control him on the
Oh,
outside.
that's kind of cool. Yeah.
It's gonna be forward, backwards, left and right for any noises it makes, any accessories you get, and then to spin his head. If you wanna go forward and then like left, you're gonna press this and then this to make it go in that direction.
Alright, traveler, can we move on to leave it on or turn it
Go
off?
ahead and test it out and let us know when you're ready for the box, okay?
So you've got an on and off switch for E here on your remote. And he is still turned on, so he will talk and light up on his own, okay? So if you want him completely turned off, then you gotta
Switch underneath. No worries.
I don't wanna control the live from this table.
It's kind of cool growing up, and then you actually now can have one. It's just.
and there you are.
Cheers. Thank you so much.
Are we all set to box them up? Yes. Okay. And then,
Oh yeah.
right down here, it'll tell you all about batteries and how to change them out. We also have an app if you wanted to take care of it. It has every answer to any question about wheel pairing, batteries, anything like that. It is on the app. You can actually Bluetooth them to the app and then control them on the app as well, okay?
Do we have to do anything?
And then if you want to turn it on or turn them off.
Turn them off, yeah.
I'm gonna have you turn off the remote control. There's a switch on the back. Perfect. And then to turn him off, you will have to pop him open every time.
Ah, the arrows.
Go ahead and try a different button.
And then your on and off switch is going to be the gray switch that's right in here, okay? All right, traveler, there you are. Thank you.
Lovely, thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day. See ya.
Oh.
That is worth it. Absolutely worth it. Fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. She's very happy.
Oh yeah. One more little step to go. Let's give this little fella a personality. Let's see how it works. You push the button. And, oh yeah. Oh.
Yeah, what's it called? I'll do that now.
What does it actually do?
I like this one. Purple.
No, you can set up the personality.
What's this one?
You want purple?
Purple it is for me. That was awesome fun. Absolutely good fun. Got my own droid. So you can actually use the Bluetooth as well and communicate the droids between each other. I'm not sure what they're going to do, but we're going to find out. Super cool. Having all the droids chatting. There's also an app. It's really cool.